Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am teaming up with e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm going to be showing you how to get flawless summer skin. I created this makeup look using all e.l.f. products, but the focus of this video, this is very important, is going to be our skin prep. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a flawless base, how to fill pores, how to create totally smooth skin, so that when you actually go in with your makeup, you're doing a lot less work. And most importantly, because this is summer makeup, we're going to be talking about sun care, SPF, okay? It's very important. Take care of your skin. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And all of the products that I will be using will be linked down below. All right, guys, let's get into the video. What was this head motion? All right, guys, if you want to see how I got this flawless summer skin, keep watching. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is prep my skin. So my skin has been looking really clear lately as far as like breakouts go, but I've been noticing like larger pores kind of like in this area and around my nose. So I'm not a huge fan of that, so we're going to take care of that. And I'm going to be using the Pore Refining Mask. So this helps to minimize the appearance of pores and brighten the skin to prep for flawless makeup application. It smells really good. I love sheet masks so much. I love a sheet mask that's like super flexible too. I hate it when they're like really stiff and you can't like form it to your face. This one is so flexible, it's really nice. It smells like lightly floral. All right, so now we leave this on for 5 minutes, then remove, rinse, and let our skin dry before applying makeup. All right, so we left it on for 5 minutes. I'm going to remove it. So I just rinsed it and patted my skin dry in the other room because I am not talented enough to do it on camera. Hopefully you guys can see how much smoother it makes my skin. Like I feel like my pores look so much smaller, but just overall it improves like the texture and the overall look of your skin overall. So next up, if we're talking about summer skin, SPF. Super important. You want to make sure that you are really taking your sun care seriously. So to do that, I'm going to be using, this is so good, it's SPF 50. This is the e.l.f. Beauty Shield. It's antioxidant rich skin protection. Super important. I feel like a lot of the time you see like SPF 30, SPF 15, especially when it's in like foundations and primers and stuff like that. So SPF 50, that's amazing. The directions say apply to face on clean, dry skin, wear alone or underneath the foundation for best results. Use after our Beauty Skin Shield SPF 50 Shielding Moisturizer. I need to get that. All right, I love the packaging too. It's kind of, I don't know how well you guys can see it on camera. It's kind of iridescent. Probably can't really tell. I swear it never does it justice. So I'm gonna take a pump of this. It is tinted and it has kind of like a smooth feel to it, like a moussey kind of feel. And it smells very fresh. It smells kind of like citrusy. I'm gonna work this like all over my face. But what I love about it is that it doesn't have that like sunscreen smell, especially on your face. Like that's the worst feeling in the entire world. All right, now just to do a little bit more refining, I'm going to be using the Poreless Face Primer and I'm gonna focus this in the areas where my pores are larger. I feel like the Beauty Shield already did like a really good job of minimizing my pores, but I just want a little bit extra. And this also smells really good. I'm just gonna kind of like pat it. I want to like fill in those areas. So it's like right here on my cheeks. This is, I mean, this is typically like where people get it, you know, like around my nose. And then I don't know why, but I feel like I get them kind of here too. Okay, skin is prepped. Most important part, this is a skin-focused tutorial. Because it is a skin-focused tutorial, I'm not gonna be doing like full coverage foundation or anything like that. I wanna keep everything like really, really light. For foundation, I'm going to be using the foundation Serum. This is in the shade Light Medium, and I think it'll be a pretty good match for me right now. I do have a tan. So I'm gonna take a pump. Ooh. Put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, I think this color is gonna be really good. And then I'm just gonna pick up a little bit on my sponge, start working this into the skin. Color looks really good. I really love using like, not a mattifying, but a more pore refining primer or something that's going to like really make the skin look flawless, and then using a more lightweight hydrating foundation. I feel like that combination just kind of like makes the skin look super flawless, and then you're focusing more on making the skin look perfect, like your actual skin look flawless without wearing a ton of coverage. And it's just so much more comfortable for summer. This looks so pretty. Oh, I love this color. This looks really nice. I'm gonna pick up just a tiny bit more, focus it in the areas that I need like a little more coverage or where I just want like a little bit more. I kind of like that it just looks like my skin though. That is so pretty, I love it. All right, now to conceal and brighten up underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using, I think I'm gonna mix 2 colors. This is the, I believe, full coverage concealer. It's a stick concealer. I'm gonna be mixing beige and ivory because ivory's a little pink and I think beige is a little bit dark, but I like the undertone in it a lot better. So I'm gonna mix these two. Actually, maybe I'll just use beige because I don't really want to like highlight like crazy. I think I'm just gonna use beige and see how that goes. I haven't used a stick concealer in such a long time. I'm actually gonna use this to like cover up any spots as well. So I'm laying this down in the areas where I need a little bit more coverage. Then what I'm gonna do is take a little bit more of the foundation, just a teeny bit. I'm gonna pick it up on that sponge and then just kind of like buff over those areas. It helps blend the concealer into your skin and it adds like a little bit more coverage, but it just kind of like helps make the concealer look cohesive with the foundation. And I don't really mind if I have like a little bit of flaws coming through because like I said, this is about like perfecting, making your skin look flawless. It's not about like crazy coverage or anything. We don't want to cover the skin. We want to be comfortable for the summer. I'm just admiring my skin right now. It just looks so good. Like it looks so natural, you know? Like up close, it doesn't look like I'm wearing makeup, which I love. I've been really into very natural looking makeup lately. All right, now I'm gonna conceal underneath my eyes. And I don't think I'm gonna do any like highlighting on my face. So I'm really just gonna be using this to like conceal my dark circles. I am gonna throw a little bit of ivory in there just because beige is like very close to my skin tone. I think if I just add this, I can kind of like, because it is really pink, but I think I can like use the setting powder to fix that a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go in with my sponge and blend that out. All right, that actually wasn't too dark once I blended it out. Okay, before I like finish off my creams and stuff, I am going to do my brows. So I'm gonna be using the brow pencil in taupe. If the planes could stop, that would be fantastic. So my brows are so much fuller. I've been like really growing them, so I really haven't been filling them like crazy lately, especially for summer. Like now that it's getting hot, I just want minimal makeup. Like I just want to look really natural and like I want Taylor Hill brows. You know what I mean? I mean, I'll never have those, but I've been loving how like natural that looks. This guy is a little more difficult. It's like the black sheep of the family. It has like the most random patches of no hair. Like right there, like what is that? That was so fast and easy. New favorite brow product. Do I look like Taylor Hill? I don't think so. I try so hard. To set underneath my eyes, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. contour palette. So we've got this color, which I think will be perfect. It'll also add like a little bit more yellow underneath my eyes to brighten. We have a highlighter and then we have a couple bronze shades. All right, and to bronze and contour, I'm going to be using the Total Face palette. So we've got this bronzer color, which I just think is so pretty. It's like got a lot more warmth in it, and I think it'll flatter my skin tone. And then look at these blush colors. These are so pretty. I might mix them because they're so pretty. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna use this to bronze and contour. I'm just gonna be like placing this in the areas where the sun would naturally hit. I have a really big forehead. It always gets really tan up here. I'm not really gonna contour, I'm just gonna kind of like, I don't know, bronze up the skin, add like a little bit of warmth. Now I'm gonna go in with my blush before I do the eyes. We're gonna keep the eyes super simple because this is about the skin. And I'm gonna be mixing these two peachy shades because I can't really pick between either one of them. That is so pretty. I feel like my nose contour got a little bit away from me. Whatever, you guys know how that goes. All right, I'm gonna keep the eyes super simple again because I said this is all about the skin. So I'm gonna be using the Nude Rose Gold palette. I don't know why rose gold is so hard for me to say. And I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. It's kind of bronzy and shimmery, and I think I'm just gonna put it all over the lid and like buff it into the crease. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But first I'm going to be priming my eyes with this e.l.f. eye primer. This is in the shade Sheer. Could probably use one of my concealers, but I really like this primer. And it just creates like kind of a velvety base. All right, and using my crease brush, I'm just gonna pick up that shade that I showed you and work this into the crease to start. So I'm gonna kind of like pat it down and then start buffing it. All right, and then I'm going to use my finger to just apply that same shade to the lid. And then using the e.l.f. 202 brush, I'm gonna grab that same shade and just work that on the lower lash line. This is the Shimmering Highlight Powder in Sunset Glow. Look at this shade. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. It's gonna be perfect on my tan. I'm really excited about it. And I'm just gonna be hitting all the high points of the face. All right, and for mascara, I'm gonna be going in with the Volumizing and Defining Mascara. This is in the shade Jet Black. Now, obviously this makeup looks super pretty without any falsies, but I am a false lash girl. So I'm going to be going in now with the Luxe Lash Kit, Winged and Bold. These are so pretty. They look really natural. They have like a really like kind of fluffy look to them. All right, so I just went in with a little bit of lip liner to give me kind of a guide because I do like to overline my lips. But for lipstick, I'm going to be going in, this is the Beautifully Bare Satin lipstick. This is in the shade Touch of Nude. It's kind of like a more brownish nude. These are kind of like the more nudes that I gravitate towards. And I'm just gonna pat this over my lips because I want it to have like a really natural look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember, please, this isn't a joke. Remember to SPF, okay? It's so easy. I know, sunscreen, it can smell gross. It can feel like really heavy and oily on the skin. This does not. It's SPF 50. It is super smoothing and it smells like citrusy and light and pretty. You won't even notice that you're wearing it. It's so easy, and because it has like a little bit of a tint, if you're around my skin tone, it does some evening out. You won't even have to wear foundation. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to e.l.f. for making it possible. Please let me know what you think of this look and also the products in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products. Alright guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. This is the first time that I've worn self-tanner in such a long time, and I feel like glowing. Look at this highlight.